English tip: using a or an before words. Using a or an correctly before words depends on the sound the word starts with, not just the letter itself. I'll explain more later. We use a for words that start with a consonant sound, right? I saw a dog, a cat, a fish. The word dog starts with a consonant sound, so we use a. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound, right? She's an amazing singer. He's an astronaut. The word astronaut starts with a vowel sound, so we use an. An example of why I say it depends on the sound the word starts with. For example, the word hour. We say an hour because the H is silent, right? It sounds like the word starts with a vowel.